Rotary Club Jowai RCJ RID 3240 Hinden kasi palay khat artarik nailur arhaja arpsa kalapan ko burom ya arngot ki Nonghikai skul kasar Jowai da ka kusnam Nation Building Award ha ka jingalang balapalong ha Infinity Moralong Jowai ha kani kasngi lawan bandon lang na do AG Pradeep G Pillai kum ukongsan ubadiru Assistant Governor ka Jila kinongket kam ka Rotary Club Jowai na do uma SK Lato ka Esther Flora Katpho BP Najir M Pasa na lor kiwede ya ka lang la panyat da President RTN Rudolph Eustace Lalu kini ki arngot Nonghikai skul ki bala shapan ko buram kilong uma ege si chulai na ka QC Springside High Secondary School Jowai bat uma Dominic Power na ka Marian Hills High Secondary School Jowai kibalong ru Nonghikai kibla senyang jingerap shibun ha kalyang ka jingnang jingsta jangki kana school.
And a memento will be honored by AG. The Grand Prize Award by Rotarian Lagon, the treasurer of our club. Thank you, Najir. Memento, I request. And cash prize, I request. Thank you.
And that is when the Rotary India leaders decided to form the Rotary India Literacy Mission. Under the Rotary India Literacy Mission, they have a program called TEACH, where TEACH is one is teacher empowerment. And therefore, recognizing the teacher is also one project. And therefore, as Rotarians, as the Rotary project of RILM, we are recognizing and we want to get literacy, or we want to get our country more literate. We have 75% literacy in our country. In a population of 1.2 crores, 120 million, or 120 crores, we have 75% who are literate. But we have 25% who are not literate, which means we have 30 crore people who are not literate. If we have got 30 crore people who are not literate, how can we make them literate? Who is not literate? The children are literate, but the elder people are not literate. How do we get that literacy up? That is the challenge that we have, and we require your inputs to that also. All that is done. If we all remember, how can we do this? You know, all of you ladies are here, girls are there. We have something called a safety pin, right? We use it to hold our clothes. The safety pin is used to hold our clothes. But as a profession, I also do training programs for people. And in these training programs, we use the balloon to do team building exercise. So what is the exercise? We blow the balloon, make it big, and then we split the team into two sides. One will be given a pin, another will be given a balloon. And when we do this, this balloon is then supposed to be burst by the person who's got this safety pin. Interesting part is the person who invented the safety pin, he never thought that the safety pin will be used for this. He only thought that safety pin will be used to hold the clothes. But then, when you give the safety pin to burst the balloon, how do you burst the balloon? As soon as you'll be seeing people putting up shops, working on offices, driving cars, driving big, rich or big luxury cars, and he will be telling in his mind, every teacher will say that this is my student, I taught him in class 7, or I taught him in class 10, or I taught him in class 5. Because that is the pride that the teacher carries. And when you carry this back home, or to your school, or to your children, I'm sure we will be able to empower more people to come up, accept the role of study and doing better in their lives. Thank you very much for being with us here. Congratulations on part of Rotary for accepting our Nation Builders Award. And I'm sure we will also be able to see more people joining Rotary for helping us, and also to ensure that we also empower people. We will certainly be able to look at projects that can be implemented in schools, like small water filters. We can identify the need, the magic is created that way. You don't need lakhs and crores to do magic. Magic can be done in small things, and in fact, magicians actually do very small tricks to make us very happy. The thread, the pin, the card, all these are very cheap things, no? It's not very costly. So magic can be done by very small, very, very good things in life. Thank you very much, and congratulations to all of you. Thank you for inviting me here, the President, for your wonderful hosting me today, whole day. He has given his time and family for me, and all Rotarians. I'm sure when the DG comes, all of us will be much more better prepared, and we'll have a very good club assembly before that, so that we can give all our leader, the DG of 3240, Rotarian Sukhwinder Singh, a grand welcome when he comes to Jowai. Thank you very much.
Passion and leadership. I believe as I go into the classroom, I will not only impart education or knowledge to my students, but I hope that I will be able to inspire them to be compassionate, to be responsible, and even engaging citizens of the nation. I take my pledge today that I will do to the best of my abilities to do justice to this trust, faith, and belief that you have bestowed upon me with this recognition. And I know that it would serve as a reminder for me, for my commitment toward upholding the betterment of the society. And as I receive this award, I would like to take a moment, with your permission, Mr. President, to honor some people or the names of those who have shaped my journey. First and foremost, I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to my parents. They are dedicated teachers. They've invested their entire life to teaching. Especially my dad, and everyone. I believe that one of the esteemed Rotarian is a personal friend of my father. And he has dedicated his life to teaching.
I'm not a teacher who keeps his friends inside higher secondary school. I'm not just a teacher in Marian higher secondary school. But I am a nation builder. I contributed to the nation. And this will be testified by the awards that you received today. So the Rotary National Builders Award was first given in India in September 1st, 2016. The Rotary India Literacy Mission have been implementing the award since its inception. And we also at Rotary Club, because this award is at a club level award, we have been initiating and conferring this award from the year 2016 till date. And for the record, even though I'm friendly with both of them, I have no say. I've got nothing to do with the nomination. All we do is, all I do, all we do for the matter, we download the evaluation sheet and the compilation sheet